All right, y'all, AJ here, back at it for another doc squat or workout of the day. The name of this one is called 30-minute AMQRAP, strength and conditioning, okay? The setup of it, it's gonna be 30 minutes of as many quality rounds as possible as you cycle through, okay? So first movement, you're gonna go swings, 20 swings, good tilt, making sure we're standing nice and tall at the top. Let that bell float down, keep that bell, okay, above this imaginary line, okay? Good tilt. Standing tall, okay? Packing those shoulders at the top. That's one thing too, especially when you're going higher volume of reps. We tend to lose focus of our shoulder blades, okay? We don't want those shoulder blades to just be punching out the whole time, okay? We want to pull nice and tight. Use your core to tighten yourself to stop that bell from going too high, okay? That's movement number one. Movement number two is gonna be 10 yoga push-ups, okay? Downward dog, high plank, push up, okay? At any point, if you need to drop to the knees, that's perfectly fine, okay? Next, you're gonna go 5 double clean into rack squats. Wide base, clean, you can step it in, squat, okay? Keep those bells nice and tight to the body, and squat, okay? 5 reps there. If you only have one bell, then you're going one side at a time. 5 on the right, and then 5 on the opposite side, okay? Beautiful. Next, going over to our pull-ups, okay? Going 5 pull-ups, full extension, working to get that chin above the bar, squeezing the heels together, thighs together, okay? You can use a band, it's perfectly fine. If you don't have access to the pull-up bar, you're gonna go back to your bell, and you're gonna go up into goblet marches for 20 reps. Elbows in nice and tight, okay? Making sure we're not overextending our lower back, okay? And then we're going 10 jump lunge squats, lunge, lunge, squat. Each time you squat, that's 1 rep. If it's a little bit too much doing the jump, then just go lunge, lunge into air squat, okay? And then the final move, 20 surfer lunges, okay? Bit of a leg burner right here, okay? So, how this one works, whatever side that you're holding the bell on, that's the side you're facing, going to be facing the whole time, okay? What I mean by that is, you're stepping here, same side as the bell, rotate here, okay? So you're rotating, so take it slow before you jump into it. Step, step, switch hands, step, step, switch, okay? And then once you get a rhythm to it, okay, make sure that you're switching the hand, make sure you're gripping that bell with the opposite hand, because it can look a little something like this when you get the flow of it, okay? And again, that's 20 total reps, so 10 and 10, okay? Beautiful. All right. Yeah, so again, with all these workouts, keep track of what bells you're using, okay? It's very important just due to the fact of, for multiple reasons, okay? You can always go back to these workouts and just, okay, well, what movement did I use, or what bell did I use for that particular movement, especially for the double cleans or single side cleans and squats. It's a good marker for building strength, okay? So keep track of what bells you're using, okay? And for this, you can go either route, kettlebell cardio or the kettlebell strength. Kettlebell cardio, you're using one light to medium sized bell, working a little bit quicker, minimal rest, whereas the kettlebell strength, you're taking your time. If you get 3 rounds of this in 30 minutes, okay, that's fine. But if you're going up in weight because you have access to multiple bells, that's a double thumbs up. All right, so again, 30-minute AMQRAP, strength and conditioning. Get after it, enjoy it. Let me know how it goes. I'll see y'all soon.